There is something common between you and me, that we all are going to be aged and we going to be old. And the one bad thing happens once we reach our age, that our metabolism is going to be slow automatically. There are many modern ways to make it fast up to a limit. Let's say that if a person who is 70-year-old, he could be look like 50 years old because he has maintained his metabolism energy. But we all have to face this issue, and many of the time when we are working, when being a corporate, we are facing many problems because of this. I remember when I used to work in a corporate world, on that time I was facing some problems also. So today I'm going to discuss about the three problems which a person usually faces when he reaches the age, and how to solve it, and how clean diet is the answer. Hi, my name is Bhupendra. I'm an online fitness coach, I'm a lifestyle expert, and I help people to reduce their fat. Friends, I still remember that when I used to work in my corporate office, on that time in morning, I was quite energetic, but within a noon, I used to feel very laziness, especially once I consume my lunch. But once I adopted a clean diet habit, my life has changed and it has turned over you round. You're not gonna believe that how the clean diet can impact our life, that it gives you energy. That's why I think we are consuming food. I have seen many times that people usually do not consume their breakfast because they don't feel hunger in morning, and it is a bad thing. What kind of food you are consuming in your dinner, so that your after 8 hours of long gap, your digestive system is not working and not demanding food. It is the problem. But once I find out that what is the meaning of clean diet and how to consume it, my life has changed. Now I do not feel any laziness, especially after my lunch. Friends, before I proceed any further, before I will tell you about that what are the three problems usually a person faces because of the slow metabolism, you need to understand that what is the meaning of a clean diet. A clean diet is a diet in which a person is getting all the nutrients at one time. So many of the time, if there are two carbohydrates, for example, dal and chawal, if they are combined together, then they can make a balanced meal for a normal person who goes to normal office. But are you consuming your dal and chawal in morning or not? This is the question. And for how long, whether you are vegetarian or non-vegetarian or a vegan, but when you consume your lean protein sources means a sources of protein which does not have any carbohydrate into it, just protein or fats. A good example of protein and fats in vegetarians is paneer and tofu, and at some place soya chunks. So when is the last time you consume these three foods on daily basis? Now you're going to ask, daily how could I consume? Then I'm going to say to you, then you need to consume clean food, and how to consume these foods daily is a skill, it's an art of nutrition. So that's why learn this skill. As I was mentioning that how my life has changed and what are the three problems usually person faces, the number one problem is, I have already mentioned, the poor energy. A person do not feel energetic in his or her work if you are not consuming a clean diet. So if you are facing problem that you are not consuming breakfast and after consuming lunch you feel laziness and you want to consume a tea, then it is time for you to make a change and change it with a clean diet. The second problem which a person usually get if he or she is not consuming a proper diet, problem of acidity once after consuming your food. Many of the time people have seen that they are consuming the food and they are facing problem in their, they are feeling burnout in their chest, they are facing the burnout in other places. But you can change this thing. You can change this thing just by adapting some simple habits, just a habit to consume a clean food diet. Now the third problem is constipation. Constipation is a process when a person do not get fresh easily in morning. That's why he has to cope up every day, every morning. And what he is not doing in morning, he has to tolerate for whole day. and it is also a problem of poor digestion and slow metabolism, and you are not consuming a clean diet. I guarantee you, your 80% problems will be solved if you consume a clean diet. A clean diet with a lean protein, a clean diet with salads, a clean diet with some carbohydrates. This is how, and it is a skill which you need to learn, and you can learn whenever you want to learn. Friends, if you just adapt a single change of clean diet, then you can do anything. If you really want to ask something, if you have any question, then feel free to ask me. Now, if you want to start your regime of your healthy life, if you want to achieve your health goals, or if you want to lose your 10 kg as fast as you can, and if you want to learn about the science behind the nutrition and science behind the workouts, then you can message me directly. Usually I conduct my meeting on Zoom with my clients so that online we can talk face to face and I can face their problems and I can solve them. This is Bhupendra signing out for now, and I know that you all can do it. You all just need to know your fitness.